Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to share wavelength and unlock limited 2% actions in Heartopia. So in this latest update, Heartopia has a collaborations with Pleasant, Code, and Big Wolf. And at this event, you can get several exclusive 2% actions, and the method is actually really simple. Just go near your friends and tap the interactions icon above their character, this one. And then next, just choose any pose or actions that you want to do together, like this. After that, just wait for your friends to accept your request, like this. And then just wait for the process. And once they respond, you will successfully share wavelength like this. And these interactions will be complete. And then now here's the important part. You need to do these interactions consistently for 12 days like this, and on day 4, 8, and 12 you will unlock special limited 2% actions as rewards. So make sure to log in daily and don't miss a single day. And okay, that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.